Welcome back to Muhammad Organic, your home for integrated, sustainable farming. Thank you for joining me. Today, I am pleased to present the proposed 2.31-acre integrated organic farm complex in Senegal, West Africa. I hope you find the concept both insightful and inspiring. Main features of the farm. Integrated farming system combining crops, livestock, and aquaculture for maximum efficiency and sustainability. Organic farming practices, chemical-free cultivation that promotes soil health and ecological balance. Multi-layer farming, efficient use of vertical space by growing complementary crops at different heights. On-site farm produce shop, direct-to-consumer outlet for fresh, organic farm products. Main components of the farm. Farmhouse with flower garden, surrounded by greenhouses and powered by solar energy. Farm produce shop at the entrance for direct sale of organic products. Farm technical room for providing farming support and services. Staff house and pump station to support daily operations and irrigation. 3/4 acre papaya garden for high-yield fruit production. 3/4 acre vegetable beds with 16 plots, 60 centimeters wide, 40 centimeters spacing. Pasture-based chicken farm for 450 free-range chickens. Goat farm with 15 goats, grazing area and grass field. Fish pond with elevated duck shed, surrounded by dwarf coconut trees. Vermicompost plant and wastewater irrigation system for sustainable resource use. 1.2 m greenway jogging track along the entire boundary. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos on organic farming. Now, let's take a bird's eye view of the complete integrated organic farm project. Join us for a quick walkthrough of the entire integrated organic farm master plan. View from outside the boundary. As you approach the farm, the first impression is one of order, greenery, and sustainability. The entire perimeter is bordered by a 1.2-meter wide greenway jogging track, neatly paved and lined with ornamental plants and flowering shrubs. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also promotes health and well-being for both visitors and residents. From the outside, the farmhouse stands out with its clean, modern design, topped with solar panels that reflect the farm's commitment to renewable energy. Surrounding the house, colorful flower gardens bloom year-round, adding vibrancy and drawing in pollinators. The main greenhouse, a sleek 6 m x 30 m structure, is partially visible from the exterior, along with the two smaller seedling greenhouses, each measuring 4 m x 12 m tucked neatly beside it. At the front entrance, the farm produce shop is clearly visible and inviting. Designed with natural materials and local aesthetics, it offers a direct connection between farm and community. From the road, passers-by can also catch glimpses of the carefully arranged vegetable plots, rows of papaya trees, and the structured layout of livestock and aquaculture zones deeper within the property. In the corners, you might notice a mint garden, offering a subtle fragrance that drifts toward the boundary on breezy days. The overall layout is thoughtfully designed to showcase a model of integrated organic farming, functional, sustainable, and beautiful even from the outside. Detailed view of the components. Farmhouse with solar power system. Front flower gardens and ample space. Backyard open space for family, seedling greenhouses, mint garden. North and east side 1.2 m wide greenway jogging track. South side greenhouse 1. Welcome to the heart of the farm, the farmhouse. This beautifully designed, single-story residence spans 150 square meters and features a comfortable 3-bedroom, hall, and kitchen layout. With its clean elevation and thoughtful architectural design, the farmhouse blends aesthetics with functionality, offering a warm and welcoming presence at the center of the entire organic farming complex. The building is powered by a rooftop solar power system, ensuring a reliable and sustainable energy source for both domestic use and light farm operations. This commitment to renewable energy reflects the overall eco-conscious philosophy of the farm. Surrounding the farmhouse is a well-maintained flower garden, planted not just for beauty but also to enhance biodiversity by attracting pollinators essential to the health of nearby crops. This creates a vibrant, living landscape that transitions gracefully from residence to productive farmland. The farmhouse is designed with dual access, a formal entry in the front and a functional backyard entrance that leads to a dedicated working and leisure zone. In the backyard, two seedling greenhouses, each measuring 4 by 12 meters, are carefully positioned to raise healthy transplants under protected conditions. These greenhouses are conveniently located for close monitoring and quick access during daily routines. Beyond the greenhouses, the backyard offers a spacious, open area ideal for family gatherings, outdoor meals, or simply relaxing after a day's work on the farm. This space is designed to balance the demands of farm life with moments of peace, privacy, and personal comfort. A short walk from the farmhouse stands the main greenhouse, a larger 6 by 30 meter structure used for the controlled cultivation of high-value crops. This proximity allows the farm manager or family to stay closely involved in both household life and the day-to-day operations of the farm. The farmhouse also functions as the nerve center of the entire integrated system. From here, key operations such as irrigation control, livestock care planning, record keeping, storage management, and coordination with staff are carried out. It's a central command post where sustainable living meets strategic agricultural management. Altogether, the farmhouse is not just a residence, it's a living, breathing part of the farm. A place where family, food, nature, and innovation all come together in harmony. Detailed view of the components. Farm Produce Sale Shop Block. Farm Produce Sale Shop with roof solar power system. Storage facility. Technical room. Aloe vera garden. Greenhouse 9 meters by 30 meters. Lettuce garden. 1.2 m wide greenway jogging track. As you enter the farm from the main gate, the first structure you'll encounter on the right is a multifunctional facility that brings together commerce, storage, and support services under one roof. This building spans 10 meters by 24 meters and houses 3 key components: a spacious farm produce sale shop measuring 5 by 22 meters, a storage area of equal size for freshly harvested goods, and a technical room measuring 4 by 10 meters, where essential farming tools, equipment, and support services are managed. Designed for both function and visibility, the front-facing wall of the sale shop proudly displays a large banner that reads, "Welcome to our sale shop, fresh from the fields, 100% organic," aimed at attracting attention from passers-by on the adjacent public road and inviting them in to experience the freshness and quality of farm-to-table produce. Immediately to the south of this building is Greenhouse 2, a 9 by 30 meter structure used for protected cultivation, adding year-round production capacity right next to the sales and distribution zone. To further enrich this productive corner of the farm, an aloe vera garden is located beside the technical room, a natural, low-maintenance crop valued for its medicinal and cosmetic uses. On the other side, adjacent to Greenhouse 2, lies a neatly arranged lettuce garden, providing leafy greens that are harvested fresh for direct sale in the shop just meters away. This layout supports a smooth farm-to-market flow, from cultivation to storage, and finally, to the customer, all within steps of each other. Altogether, this entrance zone not only serves as the farm's public face, but also demonstrates the seamless integration of production, processing, and retail in one efficient, thoughtfully planned space. Detailed view of the components. Open vegetable gardens and grass field block. Total gardens 16. Each garden contains 8 growing beds. Each bed size 0.6 meter wide by 12.11 meter long. Space between two beds is 0.4 meter. Garden layout axis: east-west road 2 meter, north-south walkway 1.2 meter. A grass field of area 405 square meter. 1.2 meter wide greenway jogging track. Welcome to our open vegetable garden and grass field block, a thoughtfully designed space where functionality meets sustainability. This block features 16 individual vegetable gardens, each precisely laid out at 8 meters wide and 12.11 meters long. These gardens are aligned in neat rows, separated by a 2 meter wide main road running north to south, and 1.4 meter wide walkways running east to west, allowing smooth and convenient access for daily activities. Inside each garden, you'll find 8 raised beds, each 60 centimeters wide, with 40 centimeter gaps between them. This structured layout promotes healthy plant growth, efficient water use, and easy movement for maintenance and harvesting. To the south of the vegetable gardens lies a 405 square meter grass field, a versatile open space ideal for recreation, livestock, or community events. A 2 meter wide road runs through the center of the field, providing essential connectivity within the block. Bordering the eastern edge of the grass field is a 40 square meter Azolla tank. Compact yet powerful, this tank produces Azolla, an eco-friendly, nutrient-rich aquatic fern used for livestock feed and organic fertilization. Together, these elements create a dynamic, self-sustaining zone that supports food production, ecological balance, and community interaction, all in one beautifully organized layout. Detailed view of the components. Papaya garden. Total land 0.73 acre. Spacing east-west 2.5 meter, north-south 2 meters. Setback 1 meter. Waste pit 50 square meter, 2.5 meter wide greenway jogging track. Welcome to our papaya garden, a vibrant part of our sustainable farming landscape, where smart design meets natural abundance. Located just south of Greenhouse 2, across a 2-meter wide service road, this garden spans 0.73 acres and is dedicated to cultivating fresh, nutrient-rich papayas. The trees are carefully planted with 2.5 meter by 2 meter spacing, allowing each plant to receive maximum sunlight, proper airflow, and easy access for care and harvesting. This layout not only supports healthy growth but also boosts fruit quality and yield. In the northern corner of the garden, we've created a wastewater and organic waste pit, a dual-purpose system that efficiently drains rainwater and composts garden waste. By turning waste into rich organic matter, we naturally feed the soil and reduce environmental impact. But this space is more than just functional, it's fruitful in every sense. Papaya is a fast-growing, highly productive crop, valued for its delicious fruit and digestive enzymes like papain. It provides continuous harvests and steady income while requiring relatively low inputs. Its broad leaves and deep roots also help improve soil structure and microclimate balance. In early stages, the garden can even support intercropping, making the most of available space and further enhancing productivity. So, whether you are here to learn, work, or simply enjoy the view, our papaya garden welcomes you with the promise of freshness, sustainability, and smart farming at its best. Detailed view of the components. Final block overview, Southern Zone. Chicken farm, capacity 450 chickens. Goat farm, elevated goat shed, capacity 15 goats. Vermicompost facility, 50 square meter shed. Utilities and staff house, 3 meter by 8 meter shed. Fish pond, 197 square meter. Elevated duck shed, 3 meter by 6 meter, capacity 60 ducks. Landscape and greenway, 12 dwarf coconut trees on the pond sides, grass on the slope. 1.2 meter wide greenway track beside the boundary. Welcome to the southernmost block of our integrated farm. A well-planned zone that harmonizes livestock, aquaculture, composting, renewable energy, and green infrastructure in one seamless layout. Chicken farm. Just south of the vegetable gardens lies our pasture-based chicken farm, where 450 free-range chickens thrive in a rotational system. The setup includes 3 paddocks, each 100 square meters. Chickens spend 7 days per paddock, completing a 15-day grazing cycle, a balanced approach for both soil and flock health. At the core is a raised poultry shed, measuring 6 meters by 15 meters, with 3 wide access doors. Solar panels installed on the roof supply clean energy for lighting, fans, and automated water systems. A nearby waste pit and a Zola tank further enhance feed efficiency and waste management. Access road. Between the chicken farm and the fish pond, a 3-meter wide road provides essential access for maintenance, feed transport, and farm tours, ensuring smooth operation across zones. Goat farm. To the north of the chicken area, a compact goat farm houses up to 15 goats with a 107 square meter grazing area. The enclosure includes a shade tree, a waste pit, and a solar-powered shelter, making it both eco-efficient and animal-friendly. Vermicompost facility. Right next to the goat farm, a triangular vermicompost unit, 50 square meters in area, is topped with a locally thatched roof. It turns organic waste into nutrient-rich compost, naturally boosting soil fertility across the farm. Utilities and staff shelter. East of the compost area, across a 2-meter wide service road, stands a combined utility shed located on the north edge of the pond. The structure includes a 3 by 5 meter staff room and a 3 by 3 meter pump station, all under one 8 meter long roof. Fish and duck farming. South of the access road lies a 197 square meter fish pond, a key aquaculture asset on the farm. Above it, an elevated duck shed, 3 meters by 6 meters, houses 60 ducks, whose droppings nourish the pond ecosystem naturally. Green landscape features. 12 dwarf coconut trees line the pond, offering shade and harvestable yields. The duck shed's green roof, covered in grass, adds insulation and a soothing natural look. Surrounding it all is a 2-meter wide greenway jogging track, perfect for walking, jogging, or guiding visitors through the farm's sustainable highlights. This southern block is a living model of integrated, regenerative agriculture, where every structure, pathway, and paddock plays a role in nurturing productivity, sustainability, and harmony with nature. Need a custom layout for your organic farm or agrotourism project? I design personalized plans with 3D animations to match your land and vision. Contact me to bring your dream layout to life. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in more content on organic farming and agrotourism projects, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.